Gonna be a bass test and loudness test for the Logitech Z506 speakers, and we're gonna start with the bass test. Alright, as you can see, the bass is all the way up, 24 decibels, and on here the bass is all the way turned up. So here we go.
I'm so fresh, man. Y'all scared of doing how I do it?
Side of the room, still very audible. It's very loud.
In all, in thrilling, new, living sound.
Go to the bassy part. Another song, it's pretty bassy.
Holy shit.
Slow down, grab, throw up, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass swallow. Hella thick, I wanna smash, shove on now, speed up, gas, grab. Say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, it ain't bands. I'm a great man. Whoa, same friend. I play a whole late night DJ, amen.
Alright, now it's gonna be the loudness test. Probably turn the bass down for that one so you can get the maximum volume. Bass move. Alright.
I'm so fresh, man.
This is with the loudness all the way up on my laptop and the speakers themselves. Here's
On the couch, the wolf
Alright, to actually get a good idea on how loud it is, we're gonna go outside and see how well you can still hear it. All the way downstairs, you still hear it pretty well. In the garage right under my room. Alright, now it's gonna be right outside of the window. See how good you can still hear it. Still hear it pretty well. And that will conclude it. Hope you enjoyed.